Welcome to my channel. This video, I have a gadget, and before I show you this thing that I got way back in the day, I'm working with wood in my shop, and I believe anybody that has a little shop that works with wood, makes cabinets or whatever, comes with this little problem. I guess I've seen it also on YouTube. And that's when you put boards together. You know, you want to put a couple of boards together, or you want to make a little table, or you need a board 12 inches wide, and you can put two sixes together. You glue them together. And the problem is that when you press on it, it seems like it's not enough, because the boards wind up lifting on you when you put pressure on it. So then what happens is, I used to back then, we put not only pressure this way, but we also had to put some kind of a board or a 2x4 here and one at the bottom, and then of course use the clamp and clamp that on, so that put pressure that way and this way, and that's exactly what I was looking for. This is where you keep your board nice and straight. But anyway, now that we know the scenario, I want to show you a little gadget that I found. I have no idea where I found it, but I haven't seen anybody use it, so it's got to be out there. Probably something even better. Let me take this off. And I show you what I got to clamp these boards together. And what it is it's a little guy like this. I'll explain it to you. It comes with a set. It's actually, I got 4 sets of these. It's got 2 of these. Then you get, these are plastic, hard plastic. You get one small one, and you can see that, and one big one, a long one. So you get 2 sets like that. And what you do is you screw these on onto a 2x4. I have a short one here, 2x4, but it could be as long as you want. What I've done is I've taken a 2x4 and made these cutouts on a 2x4. So I have them where I have the cutouts. I don't need these. I figured I'd just show you these, because this is the one where the set came in. And what you do is you put one on the top, you put your board in the middle, like that, and then, see, this guy will hold up, maybe not, and I'll show you. Then you have this guy here, and what this does is it grabs this one and the bottom one, and then you tighten it. And what it does is, not only it tightens this way, but also this way. The neatest thing, I tell you. Let me do these boards right now. See if we can set you up a little bit. See how it looks. I have actually, what I wanted to do was, before I forget, really show a close-up shot, because somebody might want to make these. Actually, they're really easy to make. Let me put my glasses on. So you have this. It does this type of thing. You got a spring here to keep it close, so when you grab the 2x4 on the top and the bottom, it just grabs on. Then of course you have the little clampy thing here. That's what clamps it together. So you winds up tightening it this way and that way, all with one shot. So you only need 2 of these. Well, 2 sets, one at one end, one at the other. So hope you got to see this. Very easily made. I want to make these. I think they're the greatest thing. I have no idea where I got them. I can't find a name on this. No idea what even you call it. What would you call this? I have no idea. So let me put you over here for a minute. And let me see if I can do this. This is pretty good. It's all the way back. There you go. Do the thing with this one. All right. Okay, just about set. Of course, you'll have your boards glued and this stuff. And then what I'm going to do is press on it. Maybe we could get to see what it does here. I don't know. It's getting tight. Tight. Let me see. Now that is pretty tight. I can see it. And it's down also. There's pressure going down. And that's all that's needed. I could pick this up. If you notice. And of course you put another one on the other end and you let the glue dry it. But it won't bring these up like usually what happens when you put a clamp, when you press on it at the ends here. What a great thing. I've never seen anybody use it on YouTube. I don't know, there's probably got to be something else out there even better, but I thought these were great. I've had these for a long, long time, and I've used these a lot, actually, to put boards together. And right now, it is pretty tight, these boards. And if you notice, they're not raised up. It's pretty flat, this thing. Don't know what to call it. Some kind of clamp, hold down, something. And let me see. You can see how the bottom is here. Oh yeah, you'll see that. Kind of holds the bottom. That's what it does. It does a great job. And you're done, just tighten it. So you guys can see that, I guess so. And you just take it off of here. Comes off of here. And you do the same thing with the other one. Things are not easy with the camera, that's for sure. That's what they are. Little clamps. And I don't see any markings on this. Like a name. This is like hard. It's like a plastic. Really hard plastic. But again, you actually don't need this. What you do is you make the half moons here on the wood. What I did. So you don't need these things. You need to use to make these. And they're pretty easy to make. I thought it was a great idea. No idea where I got them. No idea what I'm going to call them. But I figured catalog this on YouTube and show one of the clamping boards that I used to use to put boards together. And thanks for watching.